How to remove apps from your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you all you need to do in order to uninstall apps from your Shopify. So this is going to be very straightforward and simple. Obviously, you would want to have some sort of applications that you have in order to uninstall them. So let me just go ahead and go around, install a few more or a few apps in order to show you how to remove them. So I'm just going to go for this one, Judge Me, which is a good app. I'm just going to demonstrate how to uninstall it just because it's just a tutorial. So I'm just going to install a few more and I'll show you exactly how to remove them. Okay, great. So I think I installed about 3 different apps and now we basically wanted to remove them. So in here you should find, let me just refresh the page real quick. In the apps section on the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard, you should find the list of all the different apps that you have installed. So if you just go ahead and click on this, you should find all of them over here. So all the installed apps, and it's going to show us how many over here. Now, what you need to do in this case, you just want to go ahead and click on the apps section from the bottom left. And then you should find this screen, like I said, and then you will find the app and sales channel settings. If you just go ahead and click on that, you will find yourself in a more detailed view of the apps and sales channels. So in here, you obviously feel free, you will be able to basically see all the installed apps and you can feel free to remove them. So for example, I did install Pagefly, Klaviyo, Judge Me, but all of them great apps. I'm just using them as a demonstration purpose. But if you want, for example, to remove this one, you just want to go ahead and click on the 3 dots right next to it, and you should find a few more options. One of which is going to be in red, uninstall. So if you wanted to remove it, you just go ahead and click on uninstall. And it's just going to show us this option where you obviously feel free to give them some feedback on why you're actually uninstalling. So I'm just going to go for not using the app right now. But obviously, I don't really have any reason to uninstall Pagefly. Like I said, this is just for demonstration. And you can also go ahead and share more feedback to the developer. And then just go ahead and hit uninstall, and it should be basically removed from your Shopify. So you've successfully uninstalled Pagefly Page Builder. Now, obviously, this is going to reflect on your Shopify store greatly. For example, the other app that I have installed is Judge Me, which again is a very good app to show reviews for your Shopify store. If you don't have it, I recommend that you have some reviews. But if you remove it, it's no longer going to actually work on your Shopify store. So if you did already set it up to showcase reviews, it's not going to do that anymore once you actually remove it. So one more time, let's just go ahead and remove that one. Click on apps, app and sales channels, 3 dots, uninstall, give them feedback if you want to, click on uninstall, and you're pretty much set to go. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.